Here are my goodies from the 99-cent only. Some of y'all liked my little grocery haul, so I just wanted to do a quick snippet before I put everything away. I found this little bag of russets for 99 cents. I'm sure I could have gotten a better price somewhere else, but I was already there, and I'm trying not to eat as many because I went papa crazy there for a while, but got that. This was a really good deal, $1.99 a pound for cherries, and I love cherries. FYI, you guys, if any of you guys suffer from insomnia or just have a hard time sleeping, I kid you not, I read it and it works. 4 or 5 cherries about 20 minutes before bed, something chemically in them that acts as sleep aid. I don't know if it's a placebo effect and it works because they say it works, or if it works because it works, but I like them just as is, but they do really help. And I'm talking about, I have insomnia stupid bad, and they really do work. 4 or 5 right before bed. Give it a shot. Call me out if it don't work for you, but it's worked for me. Like I said, it may just be a placebo thing, not sure. I found this naked pina colada. I love this stuff. Not the best thing for you, especially for diabeticals, but who are we kidding? Oh, goodness knows I don't eat or drink the way I should, but this is really, really good chilled, and it was $1.99, and these are not $1.99 anywhere. I got this awesome sandia, this watermelon. Y'all remember what I told you guys about the avocados? If they have this crusty little stuff on them, don't give up on them. Same with the watermelon. You have the light yellow spot. It's a little flat. It has these crusty patches on there. This proves that it was sitting in the sunlight for a while, ripening up, and these are super, super stinking sweet. I got some more of these crusty aguacates. Aguacates is Spanish for avocados because, like I told you guys in my last video, these are no fail, delicious and green and creamy and black brown spots. Get one nice and firm. A little give if you're ready to eat it. If you're not ready to eat it, get a firm one. This has just enough give where I may be able to eat it in a day or two. This one is ready now. But see all the little crusty dusty patches? They're going to be delicious. I got more of the nectars because I love them, and I've already finished my peach one. I still have about this much of the mango, but I made 2 smoothies out of the peach. I found these beautimous poblanos, and I want to make chiles rellenos with them. I thought they were really pretty. These were 99 cents. Some of them had 4, but I grabbed one that had 3 because little dude's not going to eat them, and I'm not going to eat 4. I'll probably only eat 2, but I've been wanting to make them. But I'm never remembering I want to make them when I'm at a grocery store. So I saw these really pretty poblanos, and my friend bought me some awesome queso fresco from her little town. And I'm like, we're going to stuff these with that cheese and make chiles rellenos. I got some chile guajillo and chile california just for the salsa that I make for the serranos, for the chiles rellenos, and I like these. They don't mess with my allergies. I got some pretzels. I got some veggie straws for little dude to munch on while I'm making dinner because his eating has gotten so much better and he needs that type of thing. The only non-grocery thing I got is this Susan Jacobs English pear and freesia candle. They were $1.99 and it smells really, really pretty, and I bought it for in here just to burn. Why not? Little dude got this Deadpool chimichanga surprise. There's 3 little surprises in here. It's 2 figures and a sticker for $1.99. I think that's really, really good, and he loves the little collectibles, so he got that. And then he got a little collectible. He knows what this is. I don't. I just pulled him out of the bag, so he hasn't opened them yet. But that's everything. I just wanted to show you guys before I put everything away, and y'all know I'm gonna try and make a video when I make the chiles rellenos. I'm not quite sure if I'll attach it to this video or what, because I'm not sure when I'll get back to filming. Like I said, I just wanted to give you guys a real quick little glance of the things that you guys can find at your 99 cent only. Hola guys! Okay, I know I said I was going to do a cooking video of chiles rellenos, but it's been a week and I kind of ate most of the cheese that my friend bought from Waco for me. So I had to purchase some store-bought cheese. But I'm still going to make chiles rellenos, only not tonight. Tonight I'm just going to steam me some boudin and crawdads and shrimp and a couple of thingies of corn on the cob. It's all pre-cooked. I'm just going to steam it and heat it because your girl is starving. We got a late start again, slept in really, really late, and went out and did the grocery shopping today because tomorrow we're going to play outside and do some planting and get wet in the sprinklers and just relax. I don't want to be running around tomorrow. But tomorrow I will be making the chiles rellenos. I'm going to get up early and make them for lunch. Well, for me, because little dude, I'm sure I'll fix him something else. But I just wanted to let y'all know I plan on making it, but today I figured let me show you another little mini 99-cent only haul for those of you who like that type of thing. And I might just show y'all how I prep pre-cooked steamed stuff if y'all are interested. And then I have a little haul, a little tiny Dollar Tree and a pretty good size 99-cent only to show y'all along with this, just to have something to share with you guys and have something to visit with you guys with. So, okay, hold on. Okay, so my 99-cent only finds are some Nanners Chiquita. I like it when you get the Chiquita. I wrap up the tops because I read somewhere that if you wrap up the top in plastic, they don't brown as fast, and it works. It's worked for me, so yay. So I got some Nanners. I got some Persian cucumbers because some of you guys were telling me how good they were for pickling like I do my English cucumber, but these just look so delicious. I'm going to actually have them with the little steam that I'm going to make tonight. Not all of them, but I'm going to have some of them with that. Got this nice little bag of 2 bunches of cilantro, which I'm going to need for my, my goodness gracious, I just drew a blank. My salsa for the oh my gosh, for the aguas chiles, another recipe I'm preluding to, you guys. I've been craving seafood. It's something about this season. I picked up these pepperoni peppers sliced, partly, honestly, guys, because the jar looks so fancy. I like them, but the jar was just kind of cool. I might try this with my food tonight. I'm not sure. It's Food Network Kitchen Inspirations cilantro lime. They had a chipotle something or other, but I'm allergic to chipotle pepper, so no. More celery because I love munching on celery. And I'm going to start a new plant to keep Cecil. Cecil, is that what I name my celery? Cecil the celery, I think. I don't know. I'm going to plant my booty to give him a buddy. Some maters because I'm out of maters. I got this big bag of Valencia oranges, an RC for little dude's medication. I found Hamburger Helper there, which is pretty cool. Mac and cheese, which I could have got for 88 cents at Walmart, but your girl wasn't at Walmart. I bought some fideos. This is not my favorite brand. My favorite brand is in the yellow box. I'm old school, but I can't find that anywhere. So I got the Moderna fideo. I was glad they even had it. We're going to have that for dinner this week. I got some chile árboles and some chile japonés because I've also been craving carne de puerco en chile, and that's pork meat stewed in like a chili sauce. I don't know what's coming over me, guys. I got some cacique chorizo for little dude in the morning for breakfast because he really likes it. I got some more eggs because I'm going to need egg whites for the chilaquiles, for the chiles rellenos tomorrow. And I had to go ahead and pick up at Winco some more panela because I told y'all I ate the cheese my friend made for me. I ate it 2 days in a row. I had avocado spread on a tostada with panela cheese and the queso fresco cheese and a squish of lemon juice and some green salsa. It was delicious. I ate like a little Mexican queen for 2 days. Very simple, but so delish. Tonight, I picked up some boudin, cooked shrimp, and some cooked crawdads, and I have some corn left over from a couple weeks back. I have some lemon from Cowboy Chicken from a couple days ago. So I'm just going to steam some boudin, crawdads, scrimpies, and some corn tonight. I'm going to put some lemon on the bottom in the water along with some other aromatic. I'm not sure what spice I want to put in the water to steam it, but that's it. That's what I'm up to tonight, and this is what I picked up for those of you who like to see what types of things you can score at the 99-cent only. For those of you who just like grocery hauls, or those of you who have a 99-cent only and y'all haven't gone in for whatever reason, this is what you can get. So let me get to steaming my din-din because your girl is hungry. Little dude already ate. I've been piddle farting around and I'm hungry. So I'm going to get that started and then I'll do a little haul if y'all want to watch. Okay, so in here I got a big giant garlic clove. I have the liqueur of the mussels because I went ahead and decided I'm going to go ahead and use the mussels. I have some mussels left over from my last boil, and that's that white cloudy stuff you see in there because that's some good stuff, guys. I'm going to throw in this much onion. I just want to give it some flavor. I'm going to sprinkle in some badia. These are my aromatics, y'all. My aromatics. This is just going to steam all up in my food. And then this is actually was supposed to be part of my Dollar Tree haul. I found this at Dollar Tree, Red Lobster Seafood Seasoning. It smells really good. So we're going to dump some of that in there. Oops. I already got the heat on. I'm going to let that start to boil. And the first thing I'm going to steam is my boudin. Oh, crap. Sorry. I need to squeeze my lemon juice in here. I got some boudin and just 2 little corn because I can go crazy on the corn and then my tummy hates me. But I rinsed off my boudin. I rinsed off the corn. Let me go ahead and squeeze my lemon in here. Bloop. I might not use all these lemons because I want some to actually squeeze on my food. Just that alone smells so good. Okay, anyway, you know what? Let me do one more because I love me some lemon. So I'm just going to let that come to a boil. It doesn't matter if seeds fall in because we're just going to steam. And this little steamer pot is actually just the basket part of a steamer that I found, that I thrifted a while back, a long time ago actually. And I didn't find the bottom that went with it, but it was okay because I knew I could use this with my bean pot and it works perfect. So I'm going to start these off first because it take a little longer. I leave my boudin if I steam them. I usually make them in the oven or the grill or a skillet, but I've steamed them before and it's okay. They get really fat. Leave these, I steam them like 20 minutes usually. Like I said before, I don't mind a soft chewy corn. I could start the boudin first and then drop in the corn if I wanted to bite your corn, but I don't care. It all goes down the same hatch. Boudin, Meli? What is boudin? For those of you that don't know, boudin is a mixture of rice and seasonings and beef, sometimes pork, sometimes chicken. This is a chicken one because I couldn't find beef or pork, but it's all good. If you are from Louisiana, know anybody from Louisiana, y'all know what boudin is. It is so stinking good. I like to eat it with crackers because I'm country like that. But I love it. And I wanted some. Instead of the sausage, I'm going to go a little Louisiana because I finally found some crawdads. These are already cooked, so these just need to be steamed through along with the shrimp. And my mussels, I'm going to go ahead and use this last bag of mussels because I don't want them to get freezer burn on them and then they're just no good. So this is what I'm going to do, and I'll see you guys in a little bit. So I've put in my crawdads, my shrimp, and I went ahead and took the mussels out of the shells because some of them were totally destroyed and I do not want to bite down on a broken shell. So I shelled them and rinsed them, and I'm going to steam these for, now everything's already cooked, so I'm going to give it a good 10 minutes. I took the boudin, one of the links out. I think I'm going to make boudin balls. Yes, sounds funny, but I think I'm going to make one of the links into boudin balls tomorrow. And I took this link and split it in half, and I'm just going to finish it off in a little skillet or a little pot just to get a little sear on it because I have never had this brand before and it didn't steam the way I'm used to it. It tastes good, but it don't look right. So I'm going to finish it off in a little skillet and then I'm going to eat. Here it is, nice and steamy and ready for me. See the little coloring I got on my boudin? I'm going to eat it clean just with a little lemon sprinkled over it, no sauce, no nothing, just like so. And I've gone ahead and tasted one of these little Persian cucumbers. You guys, y'all were not lying to me, okay? They are so stinking good. Nice texture, good flavor, real earthy, but sweet. They're just really good. And I got celery because I love celery with seafood. So that's that. I wanted to do the haul of the things that I picked up, but you guys, my phone is acting like a butt. I just can't delete any more apps to create more space. So this is what it is for this evening. So until my next video, which will be here in a few minutes after I eat, love y'all bunches. Bye.